crew? This is Adam, doing some home maintenance at my own house today. Tankless water heater flush. Let's get started. It's gonna be at the top. This is the intake pipe for fresh air. This is the exhaust pipe for exhausting to the exterior. You want to pull and clean your filter. So this is a screen that's going to catch any debris from entering your tankless water heater. What it'll also do is it'll clog, and then your unit will not get enough fresh air, and then it'll throw an error code. So that's one thing to check if you ever have an issue with your tankless water heater. Alright you guys, that was a 1 hour tankless maintenance, probably a little over. It's like an hour and a half, start to finish. I was not in a hurry. Trying to record and share some content. It's very important to keep up with the maintenance on everything you have. The car, tankless water heater, filtration systems. It is key to be intentional about what you have to take care of it. I do it at home, I do it for clients. I strongly encourage you to as well. So this tankless water heater flush, we're going to be using some Flowway descaler in a bucket, pump, a couple hoses, and a couple tools. Simple setup. And I just love this Milwaukee air compressor. Works great. Just go in, start from the top. Alright, so we have our controller set. We're ready to test hot water. Good to go. What's going on, crew? This is Adam, the CEO of Wynn's Plumbing. It's Saturday around 1:30, the day before Christmas Eve, and we have somebody who does not have hot water. What does a leader look like to me? Let's find out. Alright, so I finally arrived. The GPS took me to the wrong location. It took me to Stony Rushing instead of Abbey Rushing or Abbey Brook or whatever this address is. So a little delayed, but one thing that's very important on every service call: good attitude, smile, business card. Let's get it. Alright, so we have a water heater. On the newer gas control valves, there's a troubleshooting guide here at the front of the water heater. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flashes is sensor failure. Yep. And so what we're looking to do is we're going to try to get this operational without having to replace parts. We're ready to replace parts, but let's see what we can do in the meantime. Alright, so by bypassing the thermal switch, as you see, we have the normal LED flash. One flash equals normal operation. Welcome back to the plumbing van. I was able to diagnose the water heater with a bad thermal switch. The bad thermal switch is designed to where the internal burner chamber, if the temperature is too hot, the thermal switch will open, which then does not make a closed connection, sending the signal back to the gas control valve. This is a temporary fix. We are going to order parts and replace it. I cannot express that enough. That being said, they have hot water for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. So this is Adam with Wynn's Plumbing signing off. Let's go Christmas shopping.